actually committed the very first 2 days of school for our entire school-wide PBIS kickoffs. Our main goal was for every student, 7th and 8th grader, to feel connected and part of a community, and realize they are part of Jaguar Nation. And so it's one thing to say, we want you to realize you're part of this community and you are a Jaguar, but what does that look like and what does that mean? So our students on the first 2 days of school, they rotated through various stations on campus. To give you an example, students rotated through a station that went over library expectations. What does it look like to be kind and safe and respectful and responsible in the library? They went through a station in the cafeteria. We practiced walking into the cafeteria and exiting the cafeteria. They went through a station in the offices, how to interact and communicate with office staff. We also mixed in large activity games to focus on building connections and developing those relationships between students and staff out in the field. So that was another exciting way to just get kids excited. And the most important thing we did was we had a school-wide assembly on the very first day of school, which is so unique and special, but it was wonderful. The second day of school, we had the same schedule. We rotated students through the additional stations that they didn't get a chance to go through the first day, and then it culminated in a rally, a school-wide rally. We did have students go to their classes the first 2 days. It was a shorter period. We condensed that class time into a shorter period, but again, everybody in the staff was on board and realized what an important and unique opportunity we had to communicate with students in the very first few days and set the tone early on. One of the messages that I communicated when I was talking with students on the kickoff in the particular station that I was facilitating is I would ask them to recognize or think about or reflect on that there might be 5 or 6 students watching you and you don't even realize you exhibited an act of kindness or if you were respectful to somebody and they're watching you and you don't even know. That's powerful influence. You have the power to positively influence a wide variety and a large number of students without even realizing, and the ripple effect of that is what we're trying to attain here. So it's working. It's great. It's great.